Hi friends, it's Donzella from Miss Donzella Cooks. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. If you like easy budget-friendly recipes, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you check out some of my recipes and you like them. Yeah, just give me a thumbs up, share them, and subscribe to my channel. Today for dinner, I am fixing myself some skillet chicken and gravy. And this is simple. I'm just using 3 chicken thighs and I brown them. I'm going to remove them from the skillet. And all that in the bottom of the skillet is not burnt. But this is what's going to help make our gravy, because I did season my chicken. You season it as you like. Add a little flour to the chicken. And then to this I'm going to add just some peppers and onion blend. This is a very simple and quick dish. And I season my chicken with this salt-free Mrs. Dash table blend. And I like this because it has a little bit of everything in it. It has some dried onion, it has black pepper, parsley, celery seed, basil, marjoram, oregano, thyme, um, rosemary, little cayenne pepper, some garlic. Yeah, so it's got a little bit of everything in it. So this is one of my favorite seasonings, and this is the table blend. This is what I seasoned my chicken with, and then I turned around and I just put a little flour on it and then browned it in the skillet. And to this, I'm going to add just 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and then I will add a cup of water to that to make my gravy. Put the chicken back in there, and then I'm going to put a lid on it and then simmer it until my gravy is thickened like I like it. And that's it. Very simple dish. And all that in the bottom of the skillet. Those, I call them the yummies. They will help make your gravy because this is from the flour. And I'm just softening up my vegetables a little bit. And to this, I'm going to add my cream of chicken soup. I'm going to add some water to the can to get out the residual soup. Turn my heat up just a little bit on the stove. And I brown my chicken on just a little medium-high heat, not too fast. And you're not cooking your chicken all the way through, you're just browning it because you're going to put your chicken back into this gravy and finish cooking it that way. And it probably takes maybe about a half hour at the most. This is an easy, quick, simple dish. And I will put my chicken and gravy over some rice. That's what I'll be having for dinner tonight. Let's turn my heat up just a little bit more. Let me add some more water here. And I cooked my chicken in olive oil. And I browned it in olive oil. And friends, again, if you like easy, simple, budget-friendly recipes, I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen where we do low sodium, heart healthy, and budget-friendly cooking in this kitchen. And if you like those type of meals, then this is the place for you. And I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Join me in my kitchen. My YouTube channel is Miss Donzella Cooks. And to all my subscribers, I really appreciate you, each and every one of you. I thank you so very much for subscribing to my channel. And for those of you who are not subscribers and you taking the time out of your day to stop by and check out my video, I appreciate you too, and I welcome you to join me and my subscribers in the kitchen where together we can make easy, budget friendly meals. And you know, with today's grocery prices, we have to really watch our budget and make do with what we have in our pantry, our refrigerator, our freezers, and we can come up with some easy dishes, delicious dishes on a budget. And my gravy now is bubbling up. I'll just stir that around. I'm gonna add my chicken back to the skillet. These are just, I just did, because this is just for me actually. So I just cooked 3 chicken thighs. And friends, that's all there is to it. And you want to turn your heat down. I'm going to turn it down on low, and I'm going to simmer this until my chicken and gravy is done. And I hope you get a good